Hey everyone, and welcome to Deep Learning Prerequisites, the Numpy Stack in Python. Guys, this is one of the most fun courses I've ever done. As you probably already know, I've been making machine learning and artificial intelligence courses for many years now, and over the years I've started to notice some patterns. Let's begin with the understanding that machine learning is really a combination of applied mathematics and programming. Well, what I noticed was that a lot of students maybe kind of understood the mathematical and theoretical ideas, but they had zero ability to translate those ideas into code. And that's basically the most important part. How can you do your job or build life-changing products if you can't actually put what's in your head into a computer? And that's what this course is all about. Assuming that you have basic Python programming knowledge, we're going to apply that to specific libraries that are used in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. These libraries altogether are what I refer to as the Numpy Stack, and hence this course is called the Numpy Stack in Python. This course is all about how to work with the raw materials of data science and machine learning, which is data, but more specifically that means vectors, matrices, and tensors, and inside a computer that means arrays. We're going to talk about how to visualize arrays, how to manipulate arrays, how to do a little bit of statistics on arrays, and how to read and write arrays so that your coworkers can look at your results and be very impressed at what you've done. This course is structured like one big giant code-along session. So as long as you're ready to work hard, then follow along with me and you'll be an expert in no time. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.